because I am today playing Granny Chapter 2 horror game board escape. Everyone see the full video. This is in our channel. It will come at 4 o'clock. Please see everyone.